Thanks to a new trial program called Arts for Ohio, university students can attend all arts events for free this school year. Made possible by a one-time grant from the Office of the Provost, Arts for Ohio hopes to give students exposure to the arts without making them break into their piggy banks. Maureen Wagner directs the Arts for Ohio program. She says that it's important for Ohio University students to fully integrate the arts and culture into their lives.
It's an enormous opportunity for Ohio University to really show the world how we value arts. The arts, music, dance, culture, visual arts, theater, how it's all integral into the education of a whole well-rounded student.
Students need to, I think, understand as a part of their education that there are a million different ways to solve a problem.
And the arts do make us think. They make us think about ourselves, but they also make us think about others and the creative spark.
And that's what we want for Ohio University students, whether they're a business major, a psychology major, whatever. When they graduate, what we're hoping is that they're making an impact on the greater world around them.
They could be doctors and lawyers, but what they actually acknowledge is that that exposure to what goes on in fine arts created a different way of understanding and engaging with their world.
It just sort of validates what we do, you know, that the arts are an important part of learning here at Ohio University.
It doesn't matter if students participate in events as artists or as audience members, because both roles are important.
The artist is being enriched by sharing, and the person who's there to observe this is also being enriched and getting to share in that creativity and might rediscover a creative talent that they have buried.
If Arts for Ohio continues, it will be an attraction to prospective students.
And when every student enrolls, decides to apply to this institution, they should know that the arts will be available to them just as any other opportunity.
Arts for Ohio will continue through the end of this school year with hopes that it will keep going long into the future.